What's up guys? So today I cook chicken calderita. Yes, chicken, potato, onion, and laurel. I don't know how to say this one, but we need to cook for lunch. I only eat 2 person. Hey guys, Happy New Year! So today we cook a calderita chicken. So carrot and potato, chicken, and this one. So thank you so much to all of you. So we start. Ayan. So this is my food for the new year because I'm only eating this one. Chicken calderita. Ayan. Happy New Year to all of you. Ah, yeah. Happy New Year, guys. First, we fry the potato first, and if a brown color, and we take out and we put. We start garlic. Next is onion. Guys, we start the cooking. Next is chicken. Put the ingredients together with the potato and carrot. Waiting to golden brown. Queso blanc color is. So we put potato and carrot. We put together and mix. And ketchup. Ayan, simple recipe. Ketchup. Next one. Open up. So this is now. Yeah, so nice. Okay guys, happy New Year to all of you, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking nilutong lunch. Yan po yung New Year ko po yan dito sa Singapore. Ayan, Happy New Year to my honey boy and to all of my staff and my community. Happy New Year to all of you. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking lunch time. Ayan, calderitang chicken. Happy New Year again, guys.